In this video, I want to show you the fuse box locations, the two of them of your Saturn Aura. So you're gonna go in the passenger side footwell, pull the seat like this, and if we go down below, you're gonna notice that there is a logo over here that is looking like a fuse. Take a flathead screwdriver, place it right over here, and start unclipping this panel. You see, it's held by clips, and by pulling it out, as you see, you'll be able to remove it. Now this panel also serves another purpose, and this is to show you where each fuses are. So as you see there, each fuses have a name. So when you look right over here on the fuse panel, you'll be able to identify them easily by looking at this panel, since it will tell you what is what. Let's check the second location of the fuse box. So pop the hood. On the right side, you're going to find a panel that you need to pinch. Remove the cover. Again, you're going to have a description of each fuses, and this way you'll find which one you need to replace quickly, and you'll get the job done in just a few minutes. If you want any replacement fuses, check my Amazon links down below. I'll put something that could help you, a bag of many fuses. Check the links, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.